doctor.
Hello.
Let's talk about some myths and facts. So, do you think that scaling weakens our teeth?
Yeah, I would agree that people have that biggest myth in their mind whenever they go for scaling, because they have a feeling that something was supporting their tooth, which is calculus, is giving strength to the tooth, and we take it out, it weakens the tooth. But the fact is that the deposit which we have on the tooth while we do scaling is something which weakens your bone. So, scaling is something which will remove the extra portion which is not required in the mouth and enhance the strength of your bone and gums. So, scaling weakening your tooth is the biggest myth, and it should be busted at the earliest, I would say.
Doctor, do you think we should stop brushing if our gums are bleeding?
See, if the gums are bleeding, it is already an indication of a underlying gum disease. So that definitely needs a professional care. You should visit your dentist and they would be advising what further needs to be done, because avoiding brushing will increase the problem, because the bleeding gums is a sign if there is some localized issue in the tooth or there is something systemic happening in the body. So that has to be identified and worked upon. So the first thing is to go visit a dentist. Secondly, you have to be brushing more, in fact, but with a toothbrush which has very soft bristles, and using some mouth rinses, some mouth washes, some medication. So it definitely needs some attention. So stopping brushing in bleeding gums is the worst thing you can do to your gums.